it's Ashley here. What are you guys up to? We're home on a snow day. Today I'm unboxing Club SciKidz. This is, as you know, a monthly STEM subscription. Maybe you don't know. So each month, Club SciKidz sends you everything you need to complete a whole bunch of different STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics projects, activities, all that focus around one field. So like we've done geology, we've done astronomy, we've done all sorts of fun ones. The only one that didn't fit into that is the Halloween one, which was kind of just a fun one. These are $29.99 per box. This is our favorite kids box. If you have older kids, 7, 8, 9, 10, even 11, 12, 13, they're going to enjoy this. Your first box, you get like tweezers and all sorts of other small items that help you, like goggles, a little notebook, and just things like that. So I don't know what this one is themed yet. We're going to find out together. Then obviously I'm going to link down below to my blog review, where we'll go in depth. You'll actually see us do some of the projects. I usually try to do all of them, as many as I can. And I'll also link to Club SciKidz so you can check them out. Alright, so you open it up and it's like this. And then right on top we have some, this is a bone sorting chart. Oh yes! I have a feeling I know what we're going to be doing. This looks like, and we've done one of these once before. It's so much fun. Kind of, the kids were kind of like, I thought it was awesome as a parent. I think we're going to be doing an owl pellet. I'm not sure, but this looks like, this is how you determine the kind of animal you're actually getting out of the pellet. And it's fun. Where it comes from. So here, Club SciKidz Dookie Cookie Recipe. So you make some, a recipe that looks like some animal droppings. And then this tells you what's in the box. And here's our activity book. So we're going to look at this at the end, after we look at all the items. And then this will tell us what they all are. Or what they're for, I should say. So what I do like about this is that in the back, it gives you like scientists that in this field, books in this field, things that you can expound on. And then each of the experiment has like 3 or 4 micro experiments or things to just delve deeper in your free time. So this box isn't going to, you're not going to open this up, do everything in a day, and then put it down. This is going to last you the month. So if you're looking for something that's going to have wherewithal, or something that's really going to give you that lesson, like a real lesson, if you're a homeschooler, this is just a great way to implement some more science, things like that, into your everyday. All right, so our first item here is a mini dig kit. This is Ice Age Animals. So I don't discover the wonders of our world. I'm wondering what's in here. Like, is it like one of those dust, you know, like a dusty, yeah. So here, it comes with like a little chisel, and then it comes with like a little brush. So you can, there's like a little skeleton in here, probably a little figure that you can put together. These are really fun. I love to do these with Ollie, so that's cool. Then we have great value lime gelatin. So we have lime jello, a little petri dish here. Then we've got like what looks to be some little bugs maybe, and like little oranges. I guess we're going to be putting those maybe in our jello. And then this looks like icing, like jelly icing. We'll see what that's for then. They always have everything separated up too, so it's easy for you to figure out what it goes to. Here's a Ziploc bag and then a plastic cup. And each box comes with one like candy that kind of fits into, like we had rock candy for the geology box and things like that. So this is a formula sour liquid candy. Shock our buds. Can you handle it? So, ooh. All right. And then we've got, ooh, it's a, what is this? A graduated cylinder. Look, that's like a trip down chemistry memory lane. This thing has something in it. It looks probably like water, to be honest. And then there's 2 little capsules in there, if you see. Don't know what that's going to be. This looks like fun. Doesn't this look like fun? All right. Another little petri dish. This has something in it. Ooh. Ooh, what is it? All right. All right, here we have a keychain. What is that? And some powder. I don't know what that is. And then finally, here it is. Oh no, there's couple other things. So here we have some sterile cotton tipped applicators. And here we have what appears to be an owl pellet. They always come in this aluminum foil, and then you get gloves because you are dealing with a dead rodent. If anybody is going to get excited about an owl pellet, it's me. I don't know why. Actually, I do know why. I think it was Mr. Wizard. Do you remember Mr. Wizard? That's way back, way flashback to the past. Doodle-doo. So they went around and they were looking for owl pellets. And I remember, like, it was like, now, when you actually get an owl pellet, you're like, oh, this is not like a full animal. You got to dig for the pieces, whatever. But the one that they showed, you could like see the animal. I was like, oh, that's so cool. That's so fascinating. How cool is that? So anyway, that was the beginning of my fascination. I enjoy them. I hope my kids will like it. I think Oliver will really enjoy it. Penny enjoyed it last time. Belle was not, she was not really into it, but that's okay. It's educational, and that's what's most importante. All right, so we're going to look through the little notebook here. See our different, all right, so edible Petri dish. So we're going to take those little pieces, the little dots and the little things, and we're going to put that in that Petri dish. And you're going to make an edible Petri dish because you have the Jello. All right, owl puke. We're going to take the owl pellet gloves, owl pellet bone chart, and tweezers, and we're just going to look through our owl pellet. I'm super pumped for this, by the way. What's that smell? Cow burps. Oh, so what you had, that's the graduated cylinder. You're going to take the graduated cylinder. That bottle had vinegar in it, and then 2 valerian root capsules. Our sense of smell are closely connected to our memory. Our body will respond differently to different smells. Food can make our mouth water. Smelling cologne and perfume can remind us of a special person. A bad smell tells our brain that we need to get away from whatever it is making that smell. So this is not going to smell good. Bacteria bungalow. So this is, okay, so in that Petri dish, I was like, ooh, what's in there? That's agar, which is like a gelling agent. Actually, vegetarians and vegans use that. Not in tandem. No, that's not the word. What is the word I'm thinking of? Instead of, in place of, in lieu of gelatin. Cotton swabs, hand sanitizer, and Sharpie. So we're going to be doing something with that. Fungus among us. Ooh, we're going to be letting some bread get moldy. What is the theme here? Grossology. Oh my goodness. That's what it is. I'm like, where's the common thread here? All right. I still think it's cool. Engineering project, germs and a black light. Oh, so that little light is a black light. And what is the white stuff though? Glow germ lotion. So that's like glowing powder. I forget what that's called. Like something phosphate. Black light, soap, hand sanitizer, paper towels, and sink access. So we're going to be finding germs with the black light. And then this is going to go through all the micro experiments, but I'm not going to go through those right now. If you're interested in seeing any of the... Oh, and then there's some like real recipes back here. Any of these experiments done, please check out the full blog review. Also check out Club SciKidz box. This is our favorite. I love this box. It's so cool. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.